Admission item 1.
May it please, Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the respondents. Your Lordship, this file has been dormant from 2021 and it has to be reconstructed. I have sought the necessary documents.
What? File is being reconstructed?
Yes,
What?
Your Lordship. Because
Which file?
A file which
Our
was
file was missing.
my file was
Oh,
missing.
your
Lordship.
file.
Yes, Your Lordship, because the case has been dormant since 2021. So a few of the documents are missing and I have to reconstruct the same, Your Lordship.
Last court date here, this thing was some vague submission you had made that in the additional district and session judge, this matter.
Yes, Your Lordship. The appeal has been filed with regards to the award. That is there, Your Lordship.
Appeal where?
It has been filed in the High Court itself, Your Lordship, about the award.
So the appeal has been disposed of, isn't it?
No, Your Lordship. It has just been
Recently?
Yes, Your Lordship, pertaining to the same award.
I'm not aware about that, my lord, unless they produce the relevant
So
documents.
anyway, so no, an appeal. There was an appeal against the award, against one of the judgments of the coordinate bench of this court, which was set aside, dismissed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So now you're saying there's another appeal.
For the award, Your Lordship, not the same petition, but for the same award. Your Lordship, if I may be given
For
time, I
a
can.
writ- so a writ petition has been filed, or what? Appeal where?
A review petition has been filed, Your Lordship. I am not able to.
Another writ petition has been
Yes, Your
filed.
Lordship.
Okay, so you're not sure.
Yeah, yes, Your Lordship. But I can get the information as required, Your Lordship.
Okay, we'll give her some time.
Yes, madam.
Oh, I don't know what this thing. Because last court did some vague in before the addition, which I felt wasn't a sufficient ground for adjournment, but okay, let's see what is going on. Now another, anyway, Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present, along with Ms. Lal Nunlui, learned government advocate for the state respondents. The learned government advocate has prayed for adjournment of the matter by submitting that she has misplaced her files and need time to reconstruct the files. Full stop. She further submitted that she has also been informed that there is another appeal pending. No, that another appeal has been filed against the award. Which is the same as the instant writ petition. In view of the above submissions, this is the matter after. How long will it take? 2
Your
weeks?
Lordship,
3 weeks.
3 weeks may be granted, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
I'm mobile.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 2.
Lordship, the matter is settled on 26 August 2025. And
Okay, settled in mediation.
yes, my lord. May please be disposed of that
Oh, wait,
case.
where is the settlement order? Let me just see. Yes, on 26th August, it has been settled. Good.
Yes, my lord.
It has, let's see the term of settlement. Awarded the compensation amount is 5,77,300 plus interest. So now the parties agreed to settle the amount at 3,50,000,
Yes, my lord.
which is inclusive of interest. within a period of, so you are who is in for the insurance company?
Mr. Benjamin is for the insurance company. He's out of station, so I'm appearing on behalf of.
Okay. Anyway, so since because of in terms of the settlement, okay, which is found acceptable, and the settlement it
Yes,
will be reproduced in the order.
Yes, my lord. Much obliged.
Obliged.
Item 3 and 4.
Yes.
May it please your lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the learned AAG, Mr. Samuel. He is indisposed today, so if the matter may be adjourned and listed for another date, your lordship.
Both the matters have been listed together.
Yes.
Now, in the last court date, Mr. Jordan Rohinthanga, he said that you needed time to get some proper instructions.
My lords, we've received instructions regarding that is the item 3, I'm guessing, my lords. There we
Yes,
are
item
pursuing
3.
the case, my lords.
You will proceed.
Yes,
Okay. So it's connected with 4. So 3 and 4, you're going to proceed.
yes.
Is it? Okay. Ms. Nunlu, you're appearing on behalf of?
Mr. Samuel, your lordship.
Pardon?
Mr. Samuel Vanalchata.
Okay, where is he?
He's indisposed today, your lordship.
Heard Mr. Jordan Rohinthanga, learned counsel for the petitioners who submit that he has received the instructions that they would like to proceed with the instant case. Full stop. Then Ms. Lal Nunlui appears on behalf of Mr. Samuel Lalsangte, learned additional AG. And
Worship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior for the MPSC.
your good name is
Daphne Lashotongi.
Daphne so-and-so appears on behalf of a senior,
Mr. JC Lanunsanga.
Mr. J.C. Lanunsanga, learned standing counsel for MPSC. Full stop. On the prayer made by the learned government advocate, matter is adjourned for 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 5.
My lord, I am for the newly implemented respondent number 6. I'm seeking another 3 weeks time for filing my affidavit.
Yes, Miss.
Emira Elmar on behalf of the senior counsel. for
Okay,
the
Amira
petitioner.
appears on behalf, you give your name later. Okay, appears on behalf of a senior Mr.
Sila Ramzawa.
Sila Ramzawa, learned senior counsel for respondent for the petitioners, along with Mrs. Iram Sangpui, learned CGC
For respondent number 6.
for respondent number 6. What about government? Have you filed a counter?
Yes, your lordship, we filed a counter affidavit.
For respondent number 6, the learned CGC has prayed for further time to file a counter affidavit. Full stop. Then Ms. Lalun Lui, learned government advocate, is present and submits that the government state respondents, okay, have filed their counter affidavit. List the matter after 3 weeks for respondent number 6 to file the counter affidavit. Yes.
Much obliged, lordship.
Item 6.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, you are filing this instant FAO challenging the order that was passed by the learned trial court in CMA number 159 of 2025. My lord, the reason we have filed this instant FAO is that there are two cases arising out of the same properties. And in the declaratory suit that is being filed by the instant respondent number 1, deceased, the instant respondent number 2 has been, by filing a CMA application.
Where is the impugned order? Let's see that. Then we'll be able to understand.
My lord.
What is the impugned order? Page?
The impugned order is Roman number 1, my lord.
1. Okay.
Roman number 1.
Biak Moi versus.
Yes.
So what is the
Operative
very short
portion-
order?
Yes,
huh?
operative portion is Roman number 2. I'll read from the third
Yes,
paragraph.
yes.
On hearing of both the parties and on careful perusal of the application as well as the written objection, this court deems it fit to allow the prayer of the applicant to for substitution of the plaintiff by her only son Robert Saimoe Sailu in light of Order 22 CPC, read Section 151 CPC.
Okay, so.
The reason we are being aggrieved, my lord, by this,
Substitution of the plaintiff died. When did she die?
the
Who died? Biak Moi, is
yeah,
it?
Moi, yes, my lord,
She died and her only son
yes,
is allowed to substitute the deceased.
yes,
And then from the cause title, it appears that they all are what? Related.
yes.
Lalrem
fact,
Sangi.
in-
Lalrem Sangi is also the
I am
is the
the
daughter of
daughter of-
Robert.
Respondent number 2 herein. The respondent number 2 is my father,
So her
and the deceased is my grandmother. And my lord, if your lordship would,
so if Biak Moi dies,
yes,
okay, and her son
yes,
is substituted by Biak Moi's son. Okay, her son is there. That means father and daughter are having a dispute,
my lord, if your lordship could kindly come to page number 16, annexure 1.
fighting over some property.
Yes, my lord.
Have you attempted to come to some settlement?
Yes. However, that's
Where? Lok Adalat or mediation?
they were being called by the learned trial court. However,
The trial court,
yes.
but no proper sitting to come
No.
to a settlement, isn't it?
No.
So we can refer this matter, make an attempt to come to a settlement, either through mediation or Lok Adalat. That's up to you. Isn't it? Yes. Counsel, what do you think? Father and daughter having a dispute,
however,
fighting
my-
over the grandmother's property. This is
Yes, my lord. In fact, the deceased, my deceased
Grandmother,
grandmother, had filed this declaratory suit, and in that declaratory suit, she had tried to implead the instant respondent number 2, who is now being substituted, my lord.
respondent,
Yes, a respondent.
number 2 is who? The granddaughter or the son?
No, the son. As an opposite party.
Ah.
This I have annexed.
So it's a very complicated family, this thing. Grandmother, son, granddaughter, 3 of you.
Yes.
Why can't you live peacefully?
My
You
lord,
all are a
there is
family
no
members,
possibility
huh?
of this case being settled outside the court, my lord.
They are
even in-
fighting
even
over
in
some
mediation.
property. Where are they staying right now, the father and daughter?
They're in Zemabo.
They're in Zemabok.
Yes, and
And the
their
property
properties
which
are also-
is in dispute
Yes.
in Zemabok.
Yes.
Who is occupying that property right now?
There are about 5 or 6 LSCs,
No.
and some of them are being occupied by
So they're fighting over
appellants-
one LSC or many LSCs?
many LSCs.
Why don't you try and settle the dispute? You
That-
see, because the grandmother's daughter,
There was
the grandmother's property, father is there. Now the father and daughter are going to fight over the grandmother's property. While previously, okay, it appears here, previously from your petition, the grandmother and the son
my lord.
were also fighting over the property. And in between the daughter comes or what?
My lord, if your lordship could kindly come to page number 16. Page number 16. This is
16.
declaratory suit number 12 of 2013.
Oh.
This is filed by my grandmother against the
So this
instant.
matter is still pending?
Yes. In fact, it is fixed for hearing. And
Okay, whatever.
And-
So the grandmother dies. Okay.
yes,
Now, when the grandmother dies, you want the son. Son is the son a party here?
the son, there
The
was an
one-
application for impleadment of his son
Okay,
as the
so-
respondent. If your lordship could come to page number 28.
Now, who are the other, this thing besides the daughter, who are the other parties? Who is,
These are government, my lord.
who is Zoram Sanga? Who is this?
Zoram Sang,
The brother of the present, yes. The brother.
Zoram Sang is also my brother, my lord.
So where are they all staying?
In one of those many LSCs, my lord.
So it appears that the grandchildren are having a dispute with the grandmother. And whose property is it? Is it their real biological grandmother?
Yes, my lord.
Then?
Some properties are registered in our name. That has been disputed by my grandmother.
Now the grandmother has passed away.
Passed away.
Okay.
Yes. The only thing we were aggrieved that the deceased grandmother had been substituted by my father is that if your lordship
But then who will substitute you then? Is there someone else appropriate to substitute the grandmother? If she passes away the case, then it's all in the interest of the children, the grandchildren. Who's going to substitute you if you passed away?
my lord,
Someone who more appropriate should be substituted by someone else or what?
my
If
lord,
she
we are
passes
challenging
away-
this order only because there is a conflict of interest, my lord. Because
But if she dies,
yes,
then the case becomes infractuous.
exactly, my lord. The learned trial court ought not to have substituted allowed the substitution application, my lord. And that whatever LSC has been
So now
in
the
my
father,
name, my lord,
the
that-
father is disputing with his children or what?
yes.
Find out who's representing the father.
Father has been represented by Mr. Zoram Sang.
Yes.
My lords, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr.
The
Zoram. He's, my lords, out of station.
Okay. So let's see in the next stage. See, talk to your clients. Because, okay, there was a dispute with the grandmother. Now the grandmother has passed away. Okay.
Yes.
Now, once a grandmother has passed away, maybe the children or the son and his children can settle the matter. Isn't it? What is so complicated?
My lord, because these properties, in fact, they are registered in our name, and that has been disputed by my grandmother.
Okay,
and
so now she's passed away.
She has passed
Okay.
away.
And the father was never in the picture before, isn't it? Or he was there? The father was
Yes.
also against the grandmother.
Yes,
Isn't it?
that-
So
that-
now the grandmother dies.
Yes.
Now they can't the children and the grandchildren, can't they just settle the matter between themselves?
That has been tried, my lord, since 2013.
When did she pass away? When did the grandmother die? Since 2013, the grandmother was already there. Now the grandmother, when did she die? Then she must have died in 2013. The dispute now is between the son and his children.
No, my lord, no.
If she died recently, that's why there's a substitution application, isn't it?
Yes,
So the main person against whom the children and the grandchildren were having a dispute, she unfortunately passes away.
the grandmother died on 4th November 2022.
She died in 2022, isn't
Yes.
it? So why is the substitution application made so late? When is the impugned order passed?
The impugned order, this is 11/02/2025.
All between that,
Yes.
after she passed
Even
away,
and
the
that
case should have been
and
dismissed.
that
What's
application,
going
yes,
on?
my lord, the impugned application has also been passed without filing a condonation application, my lord.
Anyways, whatever, okay,
Yes,
the technical defects, whatever, leave that aside. Now the dispute is between the son and his daughter, I believe. Yes.
yes.
Lal Ramsangi, and the other two people are also the children of the father. Are they biologically all brothers and sisters?
All biological, my lord.
Then try and settle. I'm sure a father would want what is best for his children.
No, my
And
lord,
the
that
children,
has been
why?
that has been tried, but it's not possible, my lord.
But you have not really tried it in the Lok Adalat or mediation, isn't it? A third person, outside person. So let them sit together, have another talk.
We have been, my lord, we have been,
Where have you been trying? Outside court,
we have
but
been
with
informed that
one-
there will be no settlement, my lord.
I think you should, you talk to them again.
My lords,
Because how old is the father now?
Uh,
So obviously
He's
the
about-
father
he's
has a
about
dispute.
60 yes, he's
60
about
some.
60,
Obviously
60
the
plus.
father has a dispute with the children. So he'll have to be made a party ultimately. if
And
any
he
people-
also has a dispute with his mother also. And now that he's being allowed to substitute his mother, that, my lord, that
But
is
who
why we
will
are being-
substitute the mother then? You're representing the mother, isn't it? The
No, my lord,
grandmother.
I am representing the
children.
children, yes. So,
Anyway, see if you can settle, talk to them again. Okay.
and in the meantime, my lord, I have also filed a stay application.
Oh.
If it may kindly be considered, my lord, because
Okay,
the case is
anyways,
fixed
we,
for
we
hearing.
cannot consider anyways in the thing, Zoram Thana, is it?
And
Yes.
He's not present, he's out of station or what, where is he? Okay,
And your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Samuel, the learned AAG. He's also indisposed today, your lordship.
why is the state a party?
The former party, your lordship.
Pro forma party,
yes,
so it
ma'am.
doesn't really matter, the private listings and
this matter could come up on Monday because your lordships may, if possible, it may be disposed of in particular manner, but at least if this side could be heard.
depending on the counsel for
Yes.
the opposite party, whether he's prepared. Now, the IA, they filed their written objection.
Not yet, my lord.
IA, they have to file a written
lord.
objection, so we'll give them time if they're going to object. If they're not going to object, it's a different matter. Yes. Heard Mr. T. Zakima, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Jordan Ramwintanga appearing on behalf of Mr. Zoram Thana, learned counsel for respondent number 1, who submits that the learned counsel is not able to appear since he is out of station. Good stuff. Ms. London Pui, learned government advocate, appears on behalf of Mr. Samuel Sankhe. No, this is Samuel Lalompuya.
No, my lords, that is the junior of Mr. Zoram.
Okay, appears on behalf of Mr. Samuel Sankhe, learned additional AG, and submits that the state respondents are just pro forma respondents. Stop. In view of the above submissions, list the matter in the next week.
Give your advice.
Orders. Item 7.
Yes, Your Lordship, this is an appeal for continuation of the 353 days delay in filing the connected regular first appeal. Your Lordship, in this matter, the respondent had already filed their objection. However, Your Lordship, with the consent of the respondent counsel, if the matter may be fixed next week.
Okay, you're not prepared today?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Ms. Vani Isyami, learned government advocate, is present along with Mr. Johnny L. Totsung, learned counsel for the respondents. The learned government advocate has prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by the learned counsel for the respondent. In view of the above, list the matter in the next week.
Deeply obliged.
Item 8.
Lordship, in this case, the LCR has come. My humble prayer is that there may be a direction for preparation of the paper book at the expense of the appellant.
Okay, admitted already. Represented, is it sole respondent, is it?
No, well,
3 respondents.
Okay, so you're representing all the respondents?
Lordship, one thing is the respondent number 2 has passed away.
Okay,
So, Kalatnama has been filed in favor of respondent 1 and 3.
so respondent number 2 is a substitution application required to be filed or not really required?
They're all
has passed
sisters.
They're all
away?
sisters, Your Lordship.
Sisters.
Yeah, so their interest is for joint.
Okay, not required to be substituted. Okay. Mr. Lal Fakoma, learned counsel for the appellant is present along with, yes,
Jonathan Larentua.
Jonathan Lalrentwanga, learned counsel for respondents number 1 and
3.
3. It is submitted that respondent number 2 has passed away, wherein no substitution application is required in the instant case. In view of the above, as prayed for the parties, TCR, has it been called for? Not yet.
It's there, Your Lordship, as per the cause.
In view of the above, since when TCR has arrived, paper book is to be prepared at the expense of the appellant. That's the matter thereafter, after 3 weeks.
In the meantime, Your Lordship, there is one IA for staying the judgment in order.
Lordship,
Where's
we will
the
not
IA?
be filing a objection
Where's
to
the IA? Connected IA? Oh, yes. Now in the IA, Mr. Again, for the appellant is present along with Mr. Samasal, learned counsel for the opposite party. The learned counsel for the opposite party has paid for time.
No, Your Lordship, we will not be,
Written objection.
we will not be
Your Lordship.
filing a objection.
Okay, not be filing, okay. Okay, so and so, they are present, okay. The learned counsel for the appellant has prayed for stay of the operation of the impugned judgment and order dated 05/06/2025 and the degree dated 05/06/2025, wherein the learned trial court what is the this thing? Let's see.
I had granted heirship to the, in favor of the respondents.
That's all. Wherein the no other
Which-
steps, is it? Wherein the learned trial court had granted the heirship certificate to the respondents
Number 1.
regarding the to respondent number 1 with regards to the property in property dash LSC number 253 of 1975 located at Dinthar dash 2, Aizawl, Mizoram, full stop. The learned counsel for the respondents, okay, submit that they will not be filing any written objection. In view of the above, as prayed for by the learned counsel for the applicant, the operation of the impugned judgment and order dated, okay, copy paste, estate till the disposal of the connected RFA number 25 of 2025. Yes. Accordingly, IA number 98/2025 stands disposed, allowed and disposed of. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Item 9.
Bail, who is for the applicant? Who is the counsel? The Lal Muanoma. None appeared for the applicant slash petitioner on court. Rest the matter after 1 week. This is the first time notice has
First
not been
time.
issued, so will not this thing mention your presence. Yes. This is a matter after 1 week. No hearing matter today?